Hello and welcome to this video where we will be taking a close-up, hands-on view of the official style cover case for the Sony Xperia 5. This latest handset sports a unique, slimline, narrow phone design that's compact and convenient to the modern phone user. Its shape differs from the usual smartphone size, so you'll need to be selective when finding a case that fits well. Official cases are always a great choice for your phone when looking for a custom fit. Here today, we'll be modelling the black style back cover on the black Xperia 5. This case comes in black, white and blue to colour match perfectly with whichever handset colour you have chosen. This case is made from a flexible silicone-like material that easily slips onto the back of the phone and holds firmly in place. Something I really like about the back cover cases is the slimline, close-fit feel that almost acts as a second skin. It adds no extra bulk to the device's shape at all, and it's textured in a stone-like rough pattern, so it's much easier to grip. The matte covering really helps reduce the dirty fingerprint marks that often build up on the shiny reflective back of the phone, keeping your handset nice and clean. The sides of the phone are covered completely, leaving a little cutout for the touch-sensitive slide bar above the power button. The buttons are covered in a raised, glossy casing that nicely contrasts with the matte black colouring of the case. I quite like the textured button covers. It helps me feel out the button placement by touch alone. The charging port on the bottom is exposed with a large cutout. And even though this leaves it exposed to moisture and damage, it really does help with accessibility when plugging in the power. There's a slight lip around the screen that could potentially act as a barrier between your screen and rough surfaces. But as always, with this type of case, it's best to add a screen protector to preserve your phone from imperfections over time. A perk of the official case is the quality embossed branding on the back, showing off the brand clearly yet in a subtle way. Of course, there's not too much protection from harsh impacts with this case, as it's quite thin with very little shock absorption around the corners and buttons. However, if you're more into a convenient, hassle-free case that hugs the phone while looking great, then this is a perfect choice. So that's it for our look into the style cover case for the Sony Xperia 5. If you like this video and are on the lookout for more quality smartphone accessory reviews and news, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.